I made sure that I ran the battery all the way down on the Kenmore, and I have plugged it in and it's charging. You see the light blinking. And once again, this one has 2 speeds. Make sure you empty out your compartment, keep that clean, and wash your filter that's within often. But every time you use this, especially if you ran it till the battery gave out like I did, make sure you empty this compartment and get everything out of it. And then that way, 1, it's going to run quieter, and number 2, you're going to add many years of service onto your vacuum cleaner. You will not regret it. So I have it plugged in and behind my cabinet there. So the light is blinking. And like I said, for a full charge, when you run this down, it'll usually take about 5 hours. And she's just nice and shiny. And she looks very well suited, sitting right there, waiting to be used again, along with all the other cleaning stuff. So check out the Kenmore lithium-ion Stratus. This is the 16 volt, and remember, the blue-gray does not come with the charging station dock. It simply has its extra brush and the cord. The white one comes with a charging dock that it sits upon. The cord actually plugs inside of it, and then you just set the stick back down on it. It is solid white, and it also has an extra little brush that you would use like on upholstery, and then it has an extended brush that serves almost like a crevice tool with a brush on it. It's slender in size but taller. It's probably got a 10-inch extension on it, and those are just things to bear in mind with the white one. And it's just a fraction of a price higher, but if that's important to you, I would recommend getting it. They both have the 16 volt battery, powerful motor, 2-speed, and it will last and run time anywhere from 30 to 40 minutes. And if you're using the extra strength motor, which is highly recommend when you're doing a carpeted area, you can run it on low for the regular hardwood floors and linoleum, or if you're picking up large debris, put it on the more powerful speed if you want to, and the higher speed. But most of the time, if you're on the low speed, it'll run about 30-40 minutes solid. So get your Kenmore stick vac 16 volt today.
Loving my new vacuum. We just babysat for my son's dog that sheds, and it picked up every piece of hair beautifully. The only thing we changed was I had my husband glue this button on, the on-off, because my fat thumbs had a hard time doing that. And I also put a piece of tape over the charger light because it blinks incessantly, which is kind of cool that it charges every time you put it back into the holder. So I think you'd really enjoy it. It's very powerful, lightweight, and convenient. A little noisy, but still beautiful than having a wire hanging over your shoulder.
Yep, gonna have to return this thing. I figured it out. So, watch this. So we're charging here. I'll try to squeeze it. Let go of it. Squeeze it. It's got a stand that holds all the accessories here, and you take this out of the stand. The stand is already plugged into the charger, so when you set it in the thing, it automatically charges. You don't have to plug anything else in. Don't have to mount anything in the wall either.
So I thought this part was cool. Like that. It's the handheld one. Really cool. Really love it.